Hey everybody, this is June coming at you again. This is my tutorial for functions, the basics. I got everything from IGCSE Mathematics by Karen Morrison. Basically page 116 and 117. So let's go back here and let's look at functions, the basics, okay? Let's look at the simple equation here, y equals x plus 2. Now, think of it as substitution where you change the y to f of x or f of x, right? Parentheses or colon. So we change the y, as you could look here, f of x equals x plus 2, right? Same thing. So just think of y as the f of x. Okay, so let's look at the example 1. If f of x equals 6 minus 3x and the x equals 5, so just think of this x in here as a 5, right? f5, so f5 equals 6 minus 3 times 5. So remember the Bodmer rule, right? 15, we multiply first, 6 minus 15 equals negative 9. Right? Just plug in the x, use the substitution rules, and follow the Bodmer rules, etc. Okay, let's look at another one. Two functions. So two functions just means, you know, g and h. So if there are two or more functions, use different symbols, x, y, z, etc. So g of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. Sorry, you guys, I didn't know how to put that 2 up here, so I just made the 2 font smaller. Sorry about that. So it's x squared minus 2x minus 3, and h of x equals 4x plus 1. So g equals 5 and h is 3, right? So let's substitute, right? So we have to do this. 5 times 5, that's x 5 squared, minus 2 times 5, minus 3. So we square this, 25 minus 10 minus 3. Then we subtract left to right. Okay, and we get 12. Okay, so 4x plus 1, right? So as we can see here, h is 3, or h of 3, I'm sorry. 4 times 3 plus 1, multiply, 12 plus 1 equals 13. So don't be intimidated by functions. Think of it as, I don't know, the substitution. You know, this equals y or z or n, m, etc. Okay. Now let's take it a notch higher. What if f of x equals x squared and g of x equals x plus 2, right? So f of x equals g of x. So if this is x squared, we bring the x squared down here, and if this is x plus 2, we bring it down here. So, hey, this is old-fashioned algebra, so let's bring this all to this side. X squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. So just a little review, right? So we minus x on each side, so make that a 0, so we get x squared minus x, minus 2, that's 0. Then we minus 2 here, so that's how we got this. Then we factor, remember this old stuff in algebra? So x equals 2 and minus 1, because minus 1, 0, right, minus 1, then that makes us minus 1. So this has two answers. Now the last example, 4gx equals gx minus 3. So normally in a math book or math test, the 1's not going to be there, but just for our visualization purposes, or I don't know, visual purposes, to make life easier for us, let's put a 1 there. Let's get in that habit. So we subtract this from each side, right, to get minus 3 by itself. So we subtract, so we get 3gx equals negative 3. Okay, and then we divide the 3, divide by 3. Okay, so we get gx equals negative 1. Now, you're going to say, June, how did you get x plus 2 equals negative 1? Well, let's look back up here. Gx equals x plus 2, right? So, x plus 2 equals negative 1. You subtract the 2, you get x equals minus 3. Okay? I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment on the video, or feel free to leave me an email. Happy studying, you guys.